Okay, so let's get started on number 1 of the independent practice from lesson 2.3. So my first inequality is y is greater than x minus 2. That means that the y-intercept is negative 2 and the slope is 1. So let's go ahead and graph that. Negative 2. And then move up 1, up 1. Okay, and so I have some points. Now, this inequality greater than does not include the line, so that means that it's going to be a dotted line. So I'm just going to go ahead and so this is my dotted line. Now, if it's greater than, it's going to be all of this up here. Okay? Because if you draw a little guy here, like I said, you see that he's going up this mountain. He's going to go up the mountain. You see that all of the numbers that are going to be greater than this hill is what's shaded. Now, for the next inequality, we have y is less than 6x plus 3. Y-intercept is 3, and the slope is 6 over 1. So let's go ahead and plot that. We have the intercept is 3. So I'm going to go, since I can't go up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it a negative 6 and a negative 1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1 here. Okay, we have 1 here. And so let's go ahead and connect those points. But before we do, we see that it is less than, it's not equal to. So it's going to also be a dotted line or a dashed line. So I'm just going to go ahead and do my best to connect those 2 points. Okay. Now, this is an extremely steep hill, but it's a positive hill. So the guy is going to be right here. Okay, kind of difficult to see, but it is an extremely steep hill, but he's still going uphill. Okay, so that tells me that if the sun's here, he could still walk up this hill. He's walking up this hill. Let me make my arrow. He's walking up this hill. He can't go down the hill. Okay, which tells me if it's going to be less than, it's going to be all of this right here. So my answer is going to be between all of this here. Okay? Now I know that the steeper the slope, you guys have, it's going to be a little bit confusing, but make sure that you draw your line well, and if you need to teach your people where they need to be, going up or down the hill. Okay? Good job.